promote a political party. I, James Deborma, came here in Damchandra to submit my nomination paper, and we have done already completed our submission process. And I would like to really give a tons of thanks to our honorable MLA, Sir Ranjit Deborma. Also, I would like to give thanks to our honorable former EM, Sir Sihal Deborma. They welcomed me with very warm, and we are hoping that from the previous result, we will cross even surplus the votes than previous. And we are hoping in entire state of Tripura, out of 28 constituency, we are at least winning this time above 24. That means around 25 seats we are going to win. The BJP, who says always that they will be winning out of 28 seats, now they have seen the strength of our people, the unity of our people, and they are fearing to fight the battle on the ground with us. And we are hopeful that the ideology that His Highness Maharaj set for the greater Tripura land and unity, that unity will make us victory. And in the days to come, our government once again going to form in the TTIDC.
Thank you, sir. Bye.